लोगों को तलाश करने का। जो पहले दौड़ के आ जाएगा वो सवाल कर ले। हाँ,
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, beloved Hazur.
वालेकुम।
My name is Fareed Ahmed Rashid, and my question is, why did Muslims pray towards Baitul Maqdas when the Kaaba was already built?
You see, during the olden days, all the previous religions, all the previous prophets came in that area where the Baitul Maqdas is situated, right? And they built a mosque there, and it was very common practice of the followers of those religions to pray in that mosque or face towards that mosque. So Muslims at that time, or the people of Makkah, were also influenced by those religious peoples, because people of Makkah were just infidels. They didn't have any particular religion. They would just follow or worship idols. They were keeping 360 idols in Kaaba. So the same practice was already in existence, that all those religious people who follow any religion face towards Baitul Maqdas while worshipping, right? So the same practice continued among Muslims even till the time when Allah Ta'ala commanded the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Even Holy Prophet ﷺ did not want to face towards Baitul Maqdas. His inner desire was that he should face towards Makkah. This is why Allah Ta'ala said in the Quran that I know your desire. And you are right that Kaaba is the oldest house of Allah. And you don't want to direct your face towards Baitul Maqdas. So now I have changed your Qibla. I have changed your worshipping object or point. Now you should change your face and worship while worshipping face towards Kaaba. So till the time Allah Ta'ala told Holy Prophet ﷺ, he used to keep his face towards Baitul Maqdas, but after having received the commandment that now you should face towards Kaaba, he changed the Qibla and Kaaba and direction, right? So because Holy Prophet ﷺ said that I do not do anything on my own. Whatever Allah commands me, I do it. Formerly, it was the common practice of all the followers of the religions. They used to face towards Baitul Maqdas. Muslims are also following. When a separate commandment revealed to the Holy Prophet ﷺ, now you should face towards Kaaba, then he changed the Qibla and face towards Kaaba. Right? So this is the reason. Right? Clear? Okay, Assalamu alaikum.